Good morning guys, my name is Alex and I live in a van with my girlfriend Marcela and our 2 dogs, and this is my daily vlog. So it's currently the 1st of January, New Year's Day, and I've decided that for the whole of January I'm going to challenge myself to do a daily vlog. Now there's no real agenda to it, although I think there will be a few good outcomes that will come from it from like both me and you guys, but I'll talk a little bit more on that later. At the moment we need to go and get some water so we can have some showers. I'm next to a river, so we're going to get the water from the river. Just another water fill up. So that's 48 litres of fresh river water, which, you know, we don't drink it, but it's okay for showers and washing up and that. Just doing, this is pasta made from lentils, which I found very interesting. I'm not sure, is it much better for you than garlic, peppers, shallots, chilli, and some coconut oil.
Yeah?
Yeah. Buena. Come here quick, because he's coming. Son, watch out! So back to what I was saying before about the outcomes of this whole vlog, which I don't know what's going to be really, but I think, like for me, it's going to help my editing skills quite a lot, like more like the speed of getting stuff done, like doing a video once a day, and you know, improve my communication skills and everything else, because talking to a camera, even though I've been doing it like a year or so now, it's still a bit weird, especially in public in front of people, you know, doing this whole, I was like, look at that Wally. So yeah, getting used to that a bit more. And I think for you guys, because I've got to film like a 5-10 minute video every day, you're going to see like the full winter van life kind of scenario, you know, like the frozen water and all that sort of stuff, and the problems we deal with. So yeah, anyway, looking forward to it.
Your tongue's gonna freeze to it, Sam.
As you can see, we're having some problems with snow here in 𝐕𝐚𝐧. So it'll, but you know, remain hopeful. I'm sure there's some coming at some point.
Arriba, 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 arriba.
Anybody lost a kid? Shower's done, day pretty much over. We're gonna have an early night tonight, to be honest. We're gonna watch a film though, because the morning routine's kicking off again, so I want to be up nice and early, nice and fresh, and get all productive for 2019. So hope you all had a great new year and all the best for 2019. Speak to you soon.
What are you up to?
Filling some water.
Filming some video. Hi guys! It's me again!
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.
Your tongue's gonna freeze to it, Sam. Oh, that was a good, Sam.